deployed over here. So is there any questions from the audience?
It seems that it was hard enough for the people to ask questions. But
I have a more general question. This is probably not to yourself, but also to the middleware as well, because today you demonstrate the NetApp deployed in the simulation environment, and obviously in the future this need to be deployed in the 5G testbed.
Yes.
And there are three kind of slicing available on the 5G testbed, and I think the first one is, let me just EMBB. This is for high data rate communication, and MMTC. This is optimized for IoT devices, and also we have ultra reliable low latency URLLC, optimized for different kind of low latency applications. This flexible architecture you demonstrated over here on connecting different robots with services or deploying different kind of service provider or workers in the system. What do you think is the best way to link the capability of different kind of slicing into the services you are presenting to us in the workshop?
Yes, thank you for your questions. We were exploring the possibilities how to do that, and we're trying to prepare the workshop even with these settings to send data or to get image data from different network interface, then and use different interface to send the results back to the robot. But right now, we didn't find appropriate API to do that in Citrus using the DDS, because we are using only single node inside the machine learning service for the image subscribers and result publisher. So we have two topics inside the single node, and we were not able to find appropriate way to set different network settings for each specific topic. We find something. We find some versions of the DDS which were able to do that, maybe for nodes, but for the topic is not present for now. But it seems that it will be possible in future to set different types of communication, or the different maybe even the different network interfaces, even for the topics. So hopefully it will be available in the near future, but I'm not able to tell you which type of DDS it was, because it was a colleague of mine who was exploring this.
Yeah, this is not a question specifically for yourself, because this also requires middleware support and testbed support, and so all of them working together, then we can have the best answer to my question. I don't have an answer for that yet. DDS is definitely needed in this process. and lots of collaboration will be required to deploy your NetApp in the best placement. But you give us a very good reference on what kind of NetApp we have already. So we will work on this NetApp and then to optimize the placement, optimize the deployment for that. Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome. I hope that some of you were able to follow even the hands-on experience, and that you didn't run in some difficulties to running these examples in your virtual machines or the host system. So if you don't have any more questions from the audience.
I think silence means that we followed your presentation. We managed to have your NetApp running in the virtual environment. The next step would be what is the best way to have them translated into the physical 5G testbed.
Yes, definitely. I think that this is something which needs to be explored now.
Thank you very much. If there's no further question, I will say